All right, guys, it is currently 9:40 a.m. Good start to the day. I got this guy, So this guy right here is gonna be filming what ad are we doing today?
TTO ad, we're doing it for AliExpress.
Okay.
Now this is a special one because I have done one ad for AliExpress, one ad for Alibaba, and we found this like certain format and literally just rinse and repeated it one time. The ad made me $2,300. The other time it made me $1,600. But you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be doing the exact same thing because when with TikTok and like just any type of like content creation, one thing that you have to realize is that once something works, it's gonna work again, and you just do the same thing. So literally like an infinite money glitch. As soon as I get an ad like that, AliExpress, Alibaba, exact same format, rip it, and we're gonna see how much it makes this time.
Exactly, guys. All right, and basically, hopefully this will take us, a couple, like 10, 20 minutes. That's all it usually takes, right? So,
Pretty simple.
basically, in this video, I'm gonna be telling you guys the process of how you do an ad. Like, you know, a skit intro, what the thought process is behind, right, when it comes to scripting. And we're just gonna get it all on camera for you guys, so it can help you guys film your next ads, all right?
Had the bathtub, and it's basically just like me sitting in the bathtub
and
having
TV.
that big old TV and just scrolling on the TV, and that's a great like visual hook that's gonna instantly catch somebody's attention. And those videos completely went viral. One got like 10 million, the other got like 20 million views. So we're gonna use that same like kind of dynamic, you know what I'm saying? We know that if we have like a big old screen that we're scrolling in some spot that looks like weird or is odd or something like that, it's gonna grab their attention, and just do the exact same thing. Be like, yo, why are you shopping on here when on AliExpress or Alibaba you can get like 3 items for $1? Wait, really? And then, you know what I'm saying?
Does it have an HDMI?
It does have HDMI, but like it has that big ass fucking stand. It's not gonna look like, you know how my TV doesn't have a stand?
I mean, worst things worst, you maybe like, we could bring a laptop or something like that, right?
I just don't know. I think the big part of why it works so well is literally like the visual hook.
Yeah.
Like of just having a gigantic ass. And like when I look at the comments as well, which is the best way to see kind of like why people are sitting around watching the thing. It's like people commenting about like, it's the biggest phone I've ever seen, yada yada yada. You know what I'm saying? So it's like just in that.
Go ahead and be like, just talk in front of the camera, but we're spending 10 minutes, 15 minutes on the intro just trying to get the TV alone set up, and it's gonna be worth it. I got some scissors. We're gonna try to unscrew the fucking Phillips. So we're trying to like unscrew this. We're from the base, right? I just know the caption to this video is gonna be like, we unscrewed a whole entire TV just to make what? Unscrewing a TV made us thousands of dollars.
Huh?
That could actually do it. That'd be kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
Here, guys. Should that be the cap? I kind of like that. I'm gonna have ChatGPT drop. Unscrewing a TV just made us thousands of dollars. Made us, right, Ness?
Huh?
Right? We're gonna film this whole entire fucking thing, bro. Oh wait, I gotta shut the damn fucking door all the way, bro. Alright, so now we're headed to the damn corner store now to find unscrew this TV. We'll see. I didn't know this was gonna turn into a vlog, holy shit, but fuck it. So we're looking for all multi-purpose tool. Looks like we are not gonna be filming an ad. Looks like we're just gonna give up.
Yeah.
Fuck the $1,000. Well, most likely we're gonna pivot, and then we're gonna have to think of something like different type shit.
One video could like quite literally pay my rent. So my
Yeah.
rent is $11.50, and the both times I did it, it paid like my rent for like a few months straight. So
This ad doesn't perform well, Ness won't be able to pay his portion of the rent.
yeah.
So this is why it's important, because it's literally life or death. He won't.
Eric's gonna have to pay it.
He can't afford groceries. This is why one ad is life changing. So, and I'm here to, I'm here to help little bro out.
Because on TTO, when you get an ad, sometimes they actually give you reference videos that you can copy. Let's see if there's any more here. $888 so far, even though I didn't post a single video this month.
Actually?
Yeah.
Bro, what are you doing? 3 for 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then literally just pretending like this is a big ass screen.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to like just after this.
What eat my ass, huh? What the fuck? This motherfucker be gay, bro. I woke up like at 7. Got a lot of work done. Got a call done at 8. So, pretty good so far. Day.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so it looks like he's got a screen recording on his phone. Basically, he's gonna like pair it to the fucking phone. I mean, he's gonna pair it from his phone to the TV. And this is how we're able to do the TV method. Honestly, the TV method works with a lot of fucking damn ads. You can just spam this shit. But the hardest part is just setting all this fucking thing up, bro. If you're old, if you're like 85, there's no fucking way you can do the TV method because you probably don't even know what HDMI is, but so good luck. No, I'm joking. For all the old people. So then he pairs it, right? Puts a phone. Oh my god! Oh my god.
Boom, look at that. You kind of can see the vision now, how when I hold it sideways, it looks like a big ad TV. Yeah, 20 million people, well 30 million total.
Notice the adapter right here he's using.
Real tech savvy guy over here.
And
they call me the inventor.
We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna leave that in the YouTube video affiliate link. So if you buy it, we get a commission off it.
Please, I need that 67 cents commission, please.
We
need that 67 cents.
Who's we? Nah. Ooh.
You think I honestly, this might be common bait. I'm thinking that this is gonna be like all weird and stuff like that.
Yeah, maybe
this
put
might
like
be common bait because people will be like, why the fuck are you scrolling on a big ass TV?
Yeah, you don't be tripping, bro.
Yeah.
So the same intro. What is it? It's like, dude, what are you doing?
Dude, what the heck are you doing? Coming with a little.
Dude, you should be saving money.
Well, after like you say, dude, what are you doing right now? It's like shopping. What do you mean? I was like, yeah, but you're supposed to be saving money. All that stuff is super expensive.
Okay, what are you doing saving money? And then after that, then you're gonna say something and be like, well, you can get 3 items
for less than $1.
for less than $1 on
AliExpress.
Oh, AliExpress.
Yeah, AliExpress.
Bro, what are you doing?
Shopping? What are you talking about?
What?
Shopping? What are you talking about?
Oh, they're super expensive. Shit, you be saving money. I mean, 3 items for less than $1 on AliExpress. Wait, actually? Yes. And that right there is how you pay this guy's rent. Now that we got the intro film, that was probably the hardest part. Now it's just the middle paragraph. Yeah, it's just
if you want, I can show you guys exactly how to do it. I know it off like my dome still. Literally just like, yeah, he actually wasn't lying. Right now on AliExpress, you can get 3 items for less than $1 with free shipping. And then literally just like a cut or something like that, or like actually with the link that we have down below, with the promotion link that we have down below, you can get 3 items for less than $1 right now with free shipping. It's actually insane. If you wanna save some money, I'll leave the link right down here. I just heard before the promotion ends or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? You add some urgency, add some scarcity, get those clicks up, and then the more clicks you get them, the more they're gonna push your video out, the more they're gonna spend on ads to push your video out, and the more rev share of those ads you're gonna get.
Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Yep, I taught him well, guys. So.
That's my son right there.
But yeah, and then so that's basically it. I mean, the middle part's pretty damn easy. You either just read the brief, or you just copy what the brief is and put in ChatGPT and have it summarized for you. So, and the brief on TTO, sometimes it has certain requirements for you to say, like, don't mention this, and sometimes you make sure you got to include that. Don't say it word by word because they hate that, but just kind of alter it a little bit. But overall, that's pretty. Yeah, the intro is the hardest part. You should be spending 70. I want to say the first 3 to 5 seconds is the most important part of your ad. So spend more time on it. That's pretty damn easy. If you want to get more results, spend more time on your intros, your hooks, make it more engaging. Like if you're complaining how you're not making any money, well, are you grabbing a TV and trying to set that all up? Do you have another person that can help record you? Well, go ahead and do it, and I guarantee you, once you have that, you'll get pretty good results. So, and once this ad is fully edited, he's gonna send it to his editor. It'll take him probably a day, even maybe 12 hours, less than, to edit. He'll get back to him, and then I'll show you guys what the whole entire ad looks like from start to finish. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, what celebration dance?
What?
Yeah, he's dancing because he knows this ad's gonna be paying him thousands of dollars. He is. He is.
I feel pretty good about this one, boys.
As you see, guys, he's getting ready to film it, and yeah, I'll shut up because he'll probably be talking.
Super simple. You really don't need much. All I got is this tripod. You can film so much shit with just a tripod and your phone, dude. You don't need fancy cameras. You don't need anything crazy. Literally, keep it simple, keep it organic, and you know what I'm saying?
No fluff.
No fluff.
All
No
vibes.
fluff.
All vibes.
Line with the promotional link that we got right down here, you can get 3 items for less than $1 with free shipping.
There's a cut.
Yeah, turns out he actually wasn't lying. With the promotional link that we have right down here, you can get any 3 items for less than $1 with free shipping. The only thing that sucks is that promotion is running out in a few days. So if you want to grab your 3 items for less than $1 with free shipping, hit the link and claim it before it's too late. Just like that.
Just like that. That took less than that was a couple minutes, right?
Yeah, a couple minutes.
And then he's gonna go ahead and send it to his editors, right? And then just like that, yeah, that's basically all the artwork's done. Just like that. And he'll get paid thousands of
I don't edit
dollars.
them myself. Literally just send it to the editor who edits them for like $5, by the way. If you think it's expensive, it's not. I'm saying $5 to get a video that might make me like 2K edited.
Yeah,
Come
it's
on
totally
now.
worth it. Exactly. Yep. So yeah, and just like that, guys, this guy probably just made a couple $1,000s off the ad. So yeah, well, I'm really glad I was able to showcase how, what sometimes filming an ad is supposed to take, right? And I think right here is a high quality ad. And so, I mean, you could literally film yourself dancing. They're called Memify videos, but they can pay thousands. But I mean, doing something like this is gonna be a lot more rewarding. So I'm glad you guys were able to learn something. Ness, you got anything else you want to say?
Come on now, lock in, bro. It's really not that hard. It's really not that hard, bro. You get in front of the camera, you get comfortable. There's so many different styles you can do. You don't have to do these type of skits. You can do like solo talking head. You can do faceless. You can do so many different types, like you said, Memify. Like, it's really just about starting and then getting better along the way. I didn't know shit when I first started TTO, but still I made like 3K my first month. So if I can do it, you can do it. It's pretty fucking simple to do. You know what I'm saying? Just lock in, get yourself some resources, get in the community with like-minded people that can help you grow, keep you accountable, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's really all I have. Let's get to this fucking money, bruh.
Yes, sir. All right, tap screen and subscribe. Bro, what are you doing?
Shopping? What are you talking about?
Oh, that is super expensive. Shouldn't you be saving money?
I mean, yeah, but I love shopping. I'm not gonna stop.
You don't have to stop. You know you can get 3 items for less than $1 on AliExpress, right?
Wait, actually?
Yes.
Turns out he actually wasn't lying. With the promotional link that we got right down here, you can get 3 items for less than $1 with free shipping. The only thing that sucks is that promotion is running out in a few days. So if you want to grab your 3 items for less than $1 with free shipping, hit the link and claim it before it's too late.